Phones on silent. Check. Let's do it. Hey dreamers, what is up? Okay, why do I have a tissue in my hand? Sweat problems, guys, sweat problems. What is up? What is happening, you guys? How are you guys? How is your weekend going? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing you something really excited. I'm super excited for this video. I don't know where to start from, but ta-da! I finally got my own mic. This is a unboxing video of this mic. If you're new, then hi, my name is Yusra, and please do me a huge favor. Subscribe to my channel and please turn that bell option so you guys can get notification every time I upload a new video. Where did I get it from? How much did I pay for it? As you can see, guys, it is packed. I haven't opened it. Actually I did. You guys know when you order something and super excited, when that thing comes in, you cannot wait to open that up. I did open. I just wanted to see. I was just being curious. How does this look? And but I did not look it properly. We are going to look it today. I'm going to unbox it. If you guys interested to know everything, keep on watching. Okay, so this is a BOYA MM1 universal cardioid microphone. And what does it say? Compact on camera microphone, compatible with smartphones, DSLR cameras, consumer camcorders, PCs, and etc. Rugged metal construction. No battery required. This is so cool. We do not need any battery. So, and professional furry windshield included. Okay, so they have some more information right here. I don't know if you guys can see or not, but they have some more information. Okay, so these are more their specifications and everything. Do you guys read this? I don't. Oh my god. So this is I'm sorry. So this is everything that comes in the box. We have our mic and we have some cables, and let's see. They also give us book which is useless. Who reads it? I think I might, just to see how it does connects and everything. Anyways, we are going to read it later. Okay. Let's take out the showstopper of this video. I don't know if you guys can see or not. I don't know if it's focusing or not. This is how it looks like. Are you going to attach your mic with your camera? Yeah. And the last thing we have is this thingy and some silicone gel, which khane ko mana hai. We have this leather pouch, which is so cool and convenient. Oh my god, I'm super excited. Let's try to attach this with my camera and let's do the mic testing.
One eternity later.
So, can you guys hear something different? I don't know. I'm gonna listen to it when I'm gonna be editing. It took me a pretty good amount of time to figure out how does it work and how am I going to, attach everything. I even went to YouTube and saw some videos. So this is what I have done. I don't know if I attached it correctly. I don't know if it's working or not. I hope it does. I hope I have done it correctly. And if it won't work, it is going to make me so sad. So moving on to the prices and all, where you can get it from. I saw, actually my friend suggested me that you can get mic from Hashmi Photos, and even Hashmi Photos have variety of production thinking. They have lights, they have more microphones, they have so many things. You can just go and check them out. They have this mic for 4,200 with 300 shipping. Not shipping, 300 delivery, but you have to give some free money, and I did not want to risk something on that. So I thought I would go and buy it by myself. I told my brother, I gave him all the information. I told him what mic do I want and the locations and everything, and I told him just to go and buy it. He couldn't find Hashmi Photos and he ended up with another shop. They had this mic for 4,500. My brother thought to just check out more shops, and he came across this Canon shop which had this mic for 3,700. I got it way cheaper. I got it for 3,700. It is the same mic, and I just hit myself. They just have, you know, different prices. And I'm gonna link everything of Hashmi Photos down below, their Instagram, their Facebook, their contact number. So they have everything. They have Diva lights as well if you are a YouTuber, and if you want to buy a Diva light, that ring light, they have it for 5,500. I was out of budget. I had my budget and I wanted to, you know, buy mic. I just did some creativity and I came with this good lighting, but obviously Diva light would make my videos even better. But still, I'm happy with this lighting. I'm happy with this mic. I wanted to buy that Rode mic that all professional YouTubers use, but I'm not complaining about it at all. I'm so much happy. You know, हर चीज़ों की इब्तिदा छोटी चीज़ों से होती है. So हल्के I'm also going to buy that Rode mic, which is, I guess, of 80 to plus thousands. It's really expensive. What else? I think I have, you know, covered everything. Yeah, and the one thing, how did I attach to it? Since my mic is attached there, I'm gonna let you guys know from here. It has a wheel right there. You have to, you know, loosen that up. Wheel is going to reveal a disc kind of thingy that you have to attach with your camera, and then you have to tie this wheel so it does not move. But two cables. One was this, and with this one is for the mobiles and tablet and iPad, etc. And the second one is for the camcorder's camera. And what was this first one, third one? I don't remember. I have attached with my camera. So yeah, it's pretty simple. If you guys think I have missed something out, just let me know in the comments down below, and I'm gonna answer you guys. Give this video a big fat thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and what else? Yeah, leave me in the comments down below if you are confused about anything. Yeah, that is it, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Allah Hafiz, fi amanillah.